Africa's biggest trade and leisure showpiece, the Africa's Travel Indaba has recently positioned Durban as the real South Africa's playground and a warm and progressive city to host prestigious business events.
We would like to extend a warm Durban welcome to all of you.
Africa's Travel Indaba is indeed a forum for constructive engagement amongst governments, the private sector, and fellow African nations.
It also markets the turning point in our tourism and airlift strategy.
How is it going, Minister?
Very well, and I'm welcoming all our African brothers and sisters from across the continent. I'm very happy.
We invite you to network. We invite you to explore opportunities that each and every one of you is bringing to the table.
The hotel occupancy rate was around 95% full and more than 700 jobs were created during this period. An estimated 500 million was injected into the GDP of the KZN province.
Sithole ama-delegates avela endaweni ezihlukahlukene zomhlaba kwangena na kwi-economy yethu 500 million.
There's been a lot of work, there's been a lot of coordination. We've brought in a lot of young people to come and help us, and our whole goal is to train them so they run the next Indabas for years to come, and we retain this Indaba here in KZN.
It's bringing in a lot of captains of industry in the travel sector, as well as exhibitors that all converge into Durban.
Bakhona ukufundisana, bakhona ukuthi yini akufanele bayenze ukuze bathuthukise ezokuvakasha.
Team Kapisa TV was there to provide multimedia coverage under Makaka Media and Communications, who dealt directly with synergy business events under the command of SA Tourism.
We are now operating in a very close space that belongs to Abanye Abantu, and for us to just come in and actually deliver, it was really, really impressive.
We had an all-black, Durban-based inclusive multimedia and editorial team of around 30 crew who mastered the occasion with flying colors.
It has been a great event. It has been an event like no other.
This event was attended by 12,000 people from all over the world and had a representation of around 26 African countries, including the newcomers Eritrea and Guinea. Washa, you're getting good business.
Actually, it's been even better than I expected. We've managed to find the word of everything we were looking for in one place.
It's so wonderful to see our colleagues and our friends here again, all ready to do great business, to network and really grow the tourism economy.
There's no jobs on land, so we need to make sure that the youth understands what the ocean also belongs to us.
Wonke umuntu who's here at Indaba are actually crucial in benefiting Indaba and the role that they play. So that's it's the exhibitors as now, as well as our buyers that we have, as well as the African continents, Nabantu from different African countries that have said we are going to invest in Indaba because it's beneficial for Bona. Be sure to catch this insightful episode on Monday, the 3rd of June, 1800 hours, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kapisa TV. Washa.